Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry from the chapter heterocyclic compounds. And as we are on part 3, in our earlier parts we have covered few of the questions from the same chapter, that is heterocyclic compound, which is the basis of your complete syllabus of pharmaceutical chemistry. So to start with the part 3, our first question, we will go to first MCQ. The question is, pyrimidine heterocycle contains nitrogen heteroatom at dash. Now, pyrimidine heterocycle, if you will consider, first you will have to think that it is a 6-membered heterocycle. So, first I will request you to go through the part 1 and part 2, wherein I have briefly covered the classification of all the heterocycles. So, if you will look into the classification, pyrimidine is a 6-membered unsaturated compound wherein it contains more than one heteroatom which are same. So it is nitrogen. So nitrogen heteroatom in case of pyrimidine, it is present at which position? Whether it is present at first and third position, whether it is present at second and fourth position, whether it is present at first and second position or first and fifth position. The correct answer is it is first and third position. So if you look into the structure of pyrimidine, you can see here it is first, second, third, 4, 5, 6. Now this is first position and third position, wherein in case of pyrimidine it is there. If you look into the other structures, it is pyrazine is also there, which contains 2 nitrogens at first and fourth position. Okay. So this way other heterocycles are also there in case of 6-membered. Pyrimidine, pyrazine is there. Okay. Now pyridazine is also one of the 6-membered unsaturated. So next question is, pyridazine heterocycle contains nitrogen heteroatom at dash. Whether pyridazine contains nitrogen heteroatom at first and third position, at second and fourth position, first and second position, or first and fifth position. The correct answer is, it is first and second position. Pyridazine, pyrimidine, pyridazine, pyrazine. Pyrimidine at first and third, pyridazine at first and second, and pyrazine at first and fourth. So how you are supposed to remember this? Now pyrimidine, तो 3 वर्ड्स है इसमें, pyrimidine. सो ये फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड. अभी pyridazine, डा मतलब 2, तो इट इज फिक्स के फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे तो होता ही है. डाजीन है, इसका मतलब 2 है, इसीलिए सेकेंड पोजीशन पे है. तो इसको ऐसे याद रखना है कि pyridazine 2 है तो सेकेंड पोजीशन पे नाइट्रोजन है एंड फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे नाइट्रोजन है. जैसे कि तुम लोग अभी स्ट्रक्चर में देख सकते हो, पायरिडाजीन, डाजीन मतलब एक्चुअली 2 नाइट्रोजन के लिए होता है, पर डा का मतलब 2 होता है. सो सेकेंड पोजीशन पे नाइट्रोजन है. दिस वे ऑल्सो यू कैन रिमेंबर इट. एंड द रिमेनिंग 2 आर pyrimidine and pyrazine. Now pyrimidine, तो इट इज 3 बार आता है, तो इट इज फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, एंड रिमेनिंग इज pyrazine, so it is first and fourth. So pyridazine contains nitrogen atom at first and second, pyrimidine contains at first and third, and pyrazine contains nitrogen at first and fourth position. These are 6-membered unsaturated heterocycles. Now the next question is pyrazine. Now see, this one is the next 6-membered unsaturated heterocycle, that is pyrazine. So pyrazine heterocycle contains nitrogen heteroatom at dash. Whether first and third, whether second and fourth, whether first and fourth, whether first and fifth. The correct answer is, it is first and fourth position. Pyrazine. Okay. So it is first and fourth position in case of pyrazine. So we have seen till now pyrimidine, pyrazine and pyridazine. Pyridazine at first and second, pyrimidine at first and third, and pyrazine at first and fourth position. Next question is, the saturated form of pyridine is called dash. The saturated form of pyridine, which is a 6-membered heterocycle, unsaturated form. So what is the saturated form of pyridine? Whether it is piperazine, whether it is piperidine, whether it is pyrazolidine, or none of them. The correct answer is, it is piperidine. The saturated form of pyridine is called piperidine. Pyridine, which is unsaturated, wherein you can see the alternate double bonds, and piperidine, in case of piperidine, it is saturated form, wherein in case no double bond is there. So it is piperidine. तो अभी ये कैसे याद रखोगे कि pyridine piperidine है? तो अनसैचुरेशन मतलब पाई बॉन्ड्स होता है, पर इसमें पाई बॉन्ड्स नहीं है, इसीलिए इसका नाम है पाइपेरिडीन. इसमें पाई बॉन्ड्स है पर इसमें पाई नाम में नहीं है. सो इट इज एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट. pyridine जिसमें पाई बॉन्ड है, बट जिसमें पाई बॉन्ड नहीं है ऐसा pyridine, वो होता है piperidine. सो विच इज द सैचुरेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ pyridine. Next question is, the saturated form of pyrazine is called dash. Whether it is piperazine, whether it is piperidine, whether it is pyrazolidine, or none of them. The correct answer is, it is piperazine. Okay. So you can see here in the diagram, pyrazine, which is a unsaturated form, 1 2 3 4, fourth position पे nitrogen है, and the piperazine is exactly, it is like pyridine piperidine, so pyrazine piperazine. Okay. Next question is, for the heterocycles which contains more than one different heteroatom, the numbering rule is dash. Like the heterocycle which contains more than one different heteroatom, like in case we have seen pyrimidine, pyridazine, pyrazine, more than one heteroatom is there, but both are same. So what if these are different? Which rule you are supposed to follow? What priority order you are supposed to follow? The heterocycles are oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus. Okay. So the priority order is, it is whether O, S, N, P, whether oxygen should be given the preference, then sulfur, then nitrogen, and then phosphorus, or whether ONSP, whether OPNS, or whether PSNO. The correct answer is, it is OSNP. Whenever you are numbering any heterocycle, the priority order is, it is OSNP. In means what? You are supposed to number according to this priority. मतलब अगर oxygen present है and nitrogen present है, तो always oxygen will be given the priority, then nitrogen, okay, then sulfur, then nitrogen, then phosphorus. In case of example where oxygen and nitrogen is there, which is oxazole, so oxygen is first, then nitrogen is second. This way. Next question is, which amongst the given 6-membered heterocycle contains more than one same heteroatom? 6-membered heterocycle contains more than one same heteroatom. The pyrimidine, pyridazine, pyrazine, or all of them? Now the correct answer is, it is all of them, which we have discussed in our earlier questions, that pyrimidine, pyridazine, and pyrazine, all the three, as you can see here in the structure, contains nitrogen, which is more than one, but it is same, both are nitrogen only. So it is first and second. Pyridazine da hai, do hai. Pyrimidine first and third. Pyrazine first and fourth. Next question is, which amongst the given 6-membered heterocycle does not contain more than one same heteroatom? Whether it is pyrimidine, pyridazine, pyrazine, or pyridine. The correct answer is, it is pyridine. As you can see here, it is pyridine. Okay. 6-membered heterocycle does not contain more than one same heteroatom. So pyrimidine Pyridazine and pyrazine, we have seen it contains more than one heteroatom. Only pyridine is there among the 6-membered, which contains only one heteroatom. Next question is, which amongst the given 5-membered heterocycles contains more than one same heteroatom? Whether it is imidazole, whether pyrazole, whether imidazolidine, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is all of them. The 5-membered heterocycle which contains more than one same heteroatom. So if you will see imidazole, pyrazole and imidazolidine, both contains, see, imidazole, pyrazole, imidazolidine. Now here it is imidazole, pyrazole and imidazolidine. Imidazole contains nitrogen at first and third. Imidazolidine also contains nitrogen at first and third, but this is unsaturated form and this is saturated form. And pyrazole contains nitrogen at first and second. Okay, first and second, this is first and third. So all these contains nitrogen. 5-membered heterocycle, same heteroatom, okay, but they are 2 in number, more than 1. Next question is, which amongst the given 5-membered heterocycle contains more than one different heteroatom? Whether oxazole, isoxazole, thiazole or all of them? The correct answer is, it is all of them. Oxazole contains oxygen and nitrogen, oxa, azha. Isoxazole also contains oxygen and nitrogen. Thiazole contains sulfur and nitrogen. This way, right? It is oxazole, isoxazole, okay, and thiazole. Oxygen and nitrogen, oxygen and nitrogen, sulfur and nitrogen. So these are the few heterocycles which contains more than one heteroatom, but they are different. With this, we finish with few of the MCQs from heterocyclic compounds part 3, okay, wherein we have discussed the 5-membered heterocycles, okay, where you can see that 5-membered unsaturated containing only one nitrogen is pyrazole, 5-membered unsaturated containing oxygen is furan, 5-membered unsaturated containing sulfur is thiophene. So it is pyrrole, furan, thiophene. Okay. When you will go to more than one heteroatom, it is imidazole, first and third nitrogen, pyrazole, first and second nitrogen. So pyrrole, pyrazole, imidazole. जैसे 6-membered में है pyridine, okay, then you have pyridazine and pyrimidine. वैसे ही 5-membered में है pyrrole, pyrazole and imidazole. ओके, सो फिर जब फ्यूरान की कैटेगरी में हम लोग आते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन है, यहाँ पे भी ऑक्सीजन है, यहाँ पे भी ऑक्सीजन है, तो फ्यूरान के बाद ऑक्साजोल एंड आइसोऑक्साजोल. आइसोऑक्साजोल के केस में सेकेंड पे नाइट्रोजन है एंड ऑक्साजोल के केस में थर्ड पे नाइट्रोजन है. सेम वे थायाजोल एंड आइसोथायाजोल. अभी यहाँ पे थायोफीन है, जैसे कि फ्यूरान के सीरीज़ में है देखो, वैसे ही थायोफीन के सीरीज़ में सारे सल्फर है एंड थायाजोल में नाइट्रोजन है, आइसोथायाजोल में भी नाइट्रोजन है. आइसो जब भी है तो सेकेंड प्लेस है, ओके, एंड ऑक्साजोल थायाजोल फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड प्लेस है. सल्फर नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन नाइट्रोजन. And same way we have seen the 6-membered heterocycle also in this part. Okay, so with this we finish with the third part, and stay tuned for our next part, wherein we are going to cover a few more MCQs from the heterocyclic compounds. Thank you.